Hi, this is Karishma, and today's employability skill session would be how to find the work you love. Yes, but then I'm going to tell you about the different professions, because last video that we watched was work politics. And if you're a kind of person who is always in and out of your job and you kind of always, your work trend is you leaving the job and you joining a new company, and it has happened various couple of times. It could be the reason, the reason could be that you are not the person who fits into a routine kind of a work. 9 to 5 job is not for you, and because of the virtual reality and the technology advancement, we have so many options available these days, where if you excel in a certain skill or you have certain talent, you can sell your skill worldwide with a PayPal account, a simple PayPal account, or you can just, depends on what kind of work you want to indulge in. So today we're going to talk about freelancing option. I am also a kind of person who do not like work politics and fighting for things that are like petty, and you kind of don't understand that why can't you just divide it and divide your work and do it. Why do you have to keep on observing what the other person is doing? So I really am not that kind of employee, and I do have, and I face the same challenges where I left couple of jobs, but then I realize that there are other options available as well. I'm an abundant person, I kind of have an abundant mindset. So freelancing is one option that fits into that criteria. Now, how can you get into freelancing and who is it for? Now that it's mostly for people who do not fit into the 9 to 5 routine category, and the ones who have certain skills and they have belief in themselves, and they can they are ready to update themselves and challenge themselves. Freelancing is for them. So who is it for? You got to know now. Now, how can you get into this? Well, it depends on various options, various fields that you want to do freelancing in. Like I am a freelance educational trainer, so I got into this work by doing a certain course, like a consultancy where I did an educational trainer course, soft skill educational trainer course. So there they started giving me opportunities, sending you to certain colleges on contractual basis. It's mostly contractual work, where you are assigned or you're bound to a client or a company or a brand for a certain time period. For example, it's a monthly project, or if it's a weekly workshop, so you were just bound to the client or the company for that particular time period, and then you are free to do other work, whatever assignments that you have taken, commitments that you have taken. So it's contractual work. The other ways to get into it is you kind of have to do your marketing and public you have to build contacts and public relation through your social networking websites. If, for example, you're a photographer and you want to start your own company, so you got to build a brand. And how will you do that? You'll do your marketing. And if you want to get into the freelance educational trainer, how to be a freelance educational trainer, I'll be leaving the link. You can check it out, and you can decide. It has complete information from how to be a freelance educational trainer and what are the ways you can opt for, and how to excel in this career and be a good trainer. So you can check it out, that course. Another thing I want to tell you, it's like the perks, the benefits of freelancing are many. One, I told you, it's not a routine job. Second is that you can decide your work time and pace, or whenever you want to work, you can decide that. So you have that control over your work life. That is one good thing, that you can work on your pace. Then you don't have to deal with too much of work politics. Work politics is less. It is there, but then it is less. Then you can decide the work that you want to take up. So you get the liberty, you get that freedom to decide what kind of work you want to take up. Then there are difficulties as well, because it's a place, it's a career option where you have to keep updating yourself, and you need to be ready to start from scratch always, because you'll be going to different colleges and universities, so you should have that skill to adjust and accommodate in different environments, be ready to work with different people. Yes, it's challenging, but if you are not a person who fits into 9 to 5, this is actually really expansive and interesting field. If you are a person like me, you can opt for this option. And so I told you, these are some of the difficulties that you can face in this career, that you have to start from scratch. You have to build your contacts, keep yourself updated, be very active. These are some of the difficulties, but if you want to boom and expand in this career, you need to update yourself. You need to keep learning different skills that will add niche to your brand, whatever brand you are trying to. If it's your name, you're building a name, brand name for yourself, then you have to be a bit more advanced than the other trainers. You will start with contacting clients, but once you are an updated person and you have a certain niche, then people will be calling you, and they'll be contacting you rather. So you can check out this freelancing option. That is also one way to get rid of a boring 9 to 5 job, and and get rid of that workplace politics. If you are not a person who likes to fight always for the thing that is entitled to you, for the particular designation that is entitled to you. So you can check out these options. There are various other options as well. Freelancing is one of them, and I'll be leaving the link of the freelance educational trainer course in the description box. You can check that out as well. So today I wanted to tell you about freelancing, a good option if you are starting your career and you have tried different jobs and that didn't suit you. So you can try this other option. There are other options like self-employed. You can start a business of your own. Freelancing is a similar kind of option with a little less investment and a more knowledge and less investment, and you can just dive in and make a name for yourself. So that's it for today. Thank you.